Good day everyone! Welcome to TLE class, Beauty Care Nail Care Services. Our lesson for today is about nail structures and shapes. Nail is a plate of keratin that lies on the tips of the fingers and toes. The main purpose of the nail is to protect the ends of fingers and toes and to help the fingers grasp small objects. Nails are part of the skin and are made up of same protein as skin and hair, which is called a keratin. Nails are composed of the hardest keratin. It is very important for a manicurist to learn and understand the anatomy and function of the nails so you could give your clients a professional and responsible service and care. Here is the structure of the nail. Lunula, the pearly-colored and crescent-shaped at the base of the fingernail. This is due to the cells being pushed closely together. The blood capillaries cannot be seen through the lunula because of this. Cuticle, the overlapping epidermis around the nail. It is the transparent skin, which is called the true cuticle, that is removed during the manicuring process. Free edge, the part of the nail that can be filed and shaped. It is an extension of the nail plate that overlaps the hyponicule. Matrix, the only living reproducing part of the nail. This is situated directly below the cuticle. New cells form here and continually push towards to produce the nail plate. It also contains blood vessels and nerves. Blood supply provides the cells with nourishment. If the matrix is damaged, the nail will grow deformed. Nail plate, it is a visible nail that rests on the nail bed up to the free edge. This is made up from dead cells and minimum amount of moisture. The nail is semi-transparent, allowing the color of blood supply of the dermis to show. Nail bed, a part of the nail where the nail plate rests on. Also a continuation of the matrix. It is abundantly supplied with blood vessels and nerves, having numerous parallel ridges, which dovetail exactly with the ridges on the undersurface of the nail plate. Nail wall, the folds of the skin that overlap the sides of the nail. They hold your nail in place and protect the nail plate edges. Nails have different shapes. Here are some of the common shapes of the nails. Round nail. It is ideal for shorter nails. The nail is allowed to grow out straight at the sides for approximately 1.5 mm, and then the tip is filed into a rounded. Oval nail. This is common among people with long perfect nail beds. It may be styled slightly rounded at the base and slightly pointed at the fingertips. Most often, this type of the nail has a natural look and looks very good in a short-medium length. Square nail. This is the most famous among the nail shapes. It is created by allowing the nail to grow out straight and then filing the tip straight across at right angles with the rest of the nail plate. Squoval nail. It is a square nail but a softer edges of an oval. Pointed nail. This is also known as stiletto. It is filed away at the sides to a point at the tip. This shape is very weak as the sides of the nail, which provide strength, are totally lost. Trimming of nail plays a very vital role. It is very easy task but sometimes it causes little problems such as unwanted abrasions and ingrown nails when done improperly. You may apply the following steps while cutting nails. Step 1. Prepare the types of instruments for this task. Nail cutter, who has a small or medium slightly curved blade, is used for trimming fingernails and toenails. Nail cutters with straight blades are suitable for use. Step 2. Before using your nail cutter, make sure that it is clean. Wash your nail cutter to remove dust and germs, especially when you are sharing your nail cutter with someone else. Dry thoroughly after washing it. Step 3. Wash your hands. Wipe dry with any towel or tissue paper to remove extra water. This process cleans your fingernails, and besides cleaning fingernails, it also helps in softening your nails and easier to cut them. Step 4. You must cut your nails in a place where you can clearly see what you are doing. Put a small container near you in which you can collect the nails. Step 5. Decide the shape of the nails that you actually want. After deciding, lift the nail cutter and start cutting your nails. Step 6. Start cutting your nails starting from your little finger. Step 7. Click on the nail cutter that you can cut through the nail. You can make at least 2 or 3 cuts of a fingernail until everything is snug. Follow the curve of the nail to get a clean cut. Check skin flaps after each cut and remove carefully. Step 8. Sit comfortably and crouch your knee side to easily reach up and see the nails clearly. Be sure not to set up deep razor to prevent scratches. Adjust the position of razor if you feel any discomfort. Step 9. After cutting your nails, use a nail file to smooth any rough and odd surface of newly trimmed nails. When you file, do it on tilt, from the corner of the nail to go down. And number 10, apply some moisturizer on your hands to keep the cuticles moisturized and smooth. That's all. I hope you have learned something today. See you on our next lesson.